everybody. We got an article from We Play Coins. It is from Pierre and it is on Ethereum. So, founders Ethereum proposed to make network faster. Founder Ethereum's proposed to make the network faster according to the Ethereum GitHub page. Vitalik Buterin and Eric Connor proposed to introduce a system of mining to help improve the efficiency of the Ethereum blockchain network. Mining in Ethereum is similar to Bitcoin, and miners know this. For every block they add to the network, they get a percentage of Ether as a payment. The more transactions there are on the blockchain, the more the price of transactions increase. This is good in a way because it helps maintain the security of the blockchain. However, it also incentivizes miners to jack up the transaction rates and slow the network down. Buterin and Connor argues that if Ethereum transactions are split into two levels of base fee and premium, they can solve this problem. This is a picture of Vitalik Buterin, one of the founders of Ethereum. How would it help? How would it work? Users can wish to transact, can choose the speed at which they wish to have their transactions completed. If they want a faster speed, they must pay a premium transaction fee. If they do, then the base fee is burned off of the network. This transaction would not affect the regular transactions, and the miners would be compensated for the work. Also, the miner would not be incentivized to increase the base fee transaction cost on the network. Simple summary. The current first price auction fee model in Ethereum is inefficient and needlessly costs to users. This EIP proposed a way to replace this with a mechanism that adjusts a base network fee based on network demands, creating better fee price efficiency and reducing the complexity of client software needs to avoid paying unnecessary high fees. Abstract. There is a base fee value in protocol which can move up or down by a maximum of 1/8 in each block. Initially, miners adjust this value to target an average gas usage of 8 million. Increasing base fee if usage is higher and decreasing it if usage is lower. Transactions senders specific their fees by providing two values: a premium gas price, which gets added to the base fee gas price, which can either be set to a fairly low value to compensate miners for uncle rate risks, or to a high value to complete during sudden burst of activity. The base fee gets burned, the premium is given to the miners. A cap which represents the maximum total that the transaction sender would be willing to pay to get included. An important aspect of this upgrade fee system is that miners only get to keep the tip. The base fee is always burned, i.e., it is destroyed by the protocol. Burning this is important because it prevents miners from manipulating the fee in order to extract more fees from users. It also ensures that only ETH, Ether, can either be used to pay for transactions on Ethereum, circumventing the economic value of ETH, Ethereum, within the Ethereum platform. I said circumventing. I'm sorry. It's supposed to be in cementing the economic value of ETH, Ethereum, within the Ethereum platform. Transactions published before the EIP or by wallets that do not support this EIP will be interpreted by the above formula or have fee premiums of zero and a fee cap of the fee that they submitted. That's the end of that article. So Ethereum, these guys are proposing to have a little summary for what I got out of this article. They want to make their network quicker because Ethereum's blockchain is getting a lot, is getting full, and they want to come up with this way of doing it where you will pay either a base fee or a premium fee, kind of like a gas price. You have your premium gas and your regular gas, I guess. And if you have premium, you get to go, I guess, you don't go into the queue, you go into the next block or the block closest to it. It kind of sounds like the Lightning Network that BTC Core, Bitcoin Core has. Every blockchain is going to do this differently. I don't think there is a right or wrong way at this point. Everybody's just trying to figure out the best way to speed up the network so people can buy a cup of coffee without it being cold before they get it because it was, their money wasn't transacted because the blockchain is too slow. I think that's one thing. So you have Ethereum trying this premium gas and base fee gas price. You have BTC Core. They're doing the Lightning Network, which is SegWit, segregated witness. You have Bitcoin Cash. They went up to, I think, 32 megabyte blocks. I believe that's it. And then you have BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision. You're gonna have them. They just went to Genesis. They just unlocked Genesis, so there's no limit on the blocks size anymore. So who knows? I may have a terabyte block one day, man. Mind out there. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and comment below on what you think. Do you like this model? Do you think this model will work? Tell me what you think. Later.